Currently I'm reading a book, The Extended Mind by Annie Murphy Paul. And what I'm going to review today is just from chapter 1. The book is so full of so many good ideas. Our mind is more than just this thing inside of our skull. Interoception is a concept that she introduces. And it's basically the awareness of the inner state of our being. Our bodies have wisdom. We've heard that before. When I came across this chapter, it just resonated so strong because in my career, I've had instances where I trusted my gut and I made decisions from that and they were right. And it felt like it wasn't correct to do that. It worked, but it didn't feel correct because it wasn't the inside your skull brain telling you what to do. And there's been other times when it's been reasoned and thought and laid out rationally, and it didn't work. And now we know why. There's actually a structure in the brain, the insula, that is utilized in kind of like a messaging pathway, if you will, or a center for those body sensations that come in that can be used for making decisions or thought or matching up with the emotion. Mindfulness meditation is one way of developing, of really flexing and growing stronger in this awareness of our body. Currently I'm studying as a Qigong teacher. It deals with basically becoming more aware of your body, not just the physical movement, but the sensations inside. And they maintain that you can develop special abilities, which sounded, for a Western, rational, inside my skull brain like I have, it sounded a little bit crazy. I was so excited to see that there's science behind that potential to develop those special abilities. So just as a little baby tiny practice, maybe we could just bring a little bit of mindfulness. So if you will, and if it's comfortable, wherever you are, whether it's seated or standing or lying, just place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, and just feel your breath. Just notice your inhale, however deep it is, or shallow, or strong, just notice, just notice. Now notice your exhale. Now bring some awareness and just observe, don't judge, just observe that juncture between an inhale, that pause, just a slight pause. You don't have to pause, just notice the transition between the inhale and the exhale. And then just with that same observation, that same non-judgment, just expand that out, maybe to your abdomen, and then to your chest. See if you can sense your heart beating. Just observe. And now whether you could observe or not observe, or you were distracted, it's okay. Now just slowly relax. If your eyes were closed, gently open your eyes. And just give gratitude that we had a chance to have this time together. I strongly encourage you to read the book. I'm still reading it. I've read the first chapter 3 times. I'll probably read it many more times, but just enjoy. It's a journey. Enjoy the ride.